Consumers and retailers could be caught in the middle of a costly crossfire of a trade war between the U.S. and China that has no end in sight.
KEZI 9 News reporter Madison Glassman is looking deeper into the impacts, and she spoke with an economy professor at the University of Oregon who says you should expect to pay more on imports in the future.
I'm concerned mostly for people who might be losing their jobs.
Bob Reeves, a shopper at the Walmart on West 11th in Eugene, has a point. The National Retail Federation warns when U.S. companies face tariffs, they cut costs elsewhere, which could mean lower wages and fewer employees.
There could be more increases in the future, depending how this trade war goes.
More than the recent 15% increase the Trump administration imposed on $200 billion worth of Chinese goods.
Maybe for that initial round of tariffs, some firms, retailers, wholesalers were able to absorb some of those price increases, so they didn't really show up necessarily at the consumer bottom line.
Tim Dewey, an economy professor at the University of Oregon, says if tariffs continue to increase, that's when you, the consumer, will start to feel a difference.
It's going to impact a lot of people, and it's not fun. So we'll see.
Dewey says the U.S. could be hit hard on two sides of this deal, from our own tariffs and any retaliatory tariffs China claps back with.
Certainly consumers will eventually feel higher prices. There's only so much of those tariffs that can be absorbed within the supply chain itself.
In Eugene, Madison Glassman, KEZI.